Presented by D-INFOMATICS. Hello students. Welcome to this session. Standard 8. Lesson number 1. Operating System. Operating system is software which helps the user to interact with the machine. Operating system is not only used in computers, but it is installed in almost all user-friendly machines, like mobile phones, robots, etc. An operating system works in the middle of software and hardware. When a user gives an instruction or command through software, it is passed to the operating system. The operating system allocates memory from the RAM and gives that instruction to the CPU for executing it. There are two types of operating systems, CUI and GUI. Character User Interface, that is, CUI. CUI is a prompt used to interact with computer programs. Character User Interface works by allowing the user to issue commands as one or more lines of text to a program. Graphical User Interface. All the programs and actions in GUI are represented by graphics. Windows is GUI. Windows is a most commonly used graphical user interface. In Windows, most programs and commands are represented by pictures. Difference between CUI and GUI. CUI stands for Character User Interface, whereas GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. In CUI, user interacts with the application by making use of the codes, whereas in GUI, user interacts through the application by making use of graphics. In CUI, one task runs at a time, whereas GUI more tasks can run simultaneously. In CUI, it is difficult to remember all commands, whereas GUI is easy to access. Example of CUI is MS-DOS. Example of GUI is Windows. Linux. Linux was originally created by Linus Torvalds in Finland on a small PC-based implementation of Unix called Minix. Android. Android is mobile operating system developed by Google. It is based on the Linux kernel. Features of Windows. Following are the features of Windows. Windows is a graphical user interface. All the programs and actions in it are represented by graphics. So, it is easy and pleasing to get the work done by choosing a picture and clicking on it. Windows allows us to work on more than one program at a time. Suppose we start typing a letter in Word, and in between, if we want to use a Paint program, we can use it without closing the Word. Multi-sharing facility enable us to communicate online with other people in a group conference with text by using the chat program. Here we can also share files, programs, pictures, etc. Different versions of Windows. Windows 1 was released in November 1985. It comes with graphical user interface in 16-bit. Different versions of Windows. Windows 1 was released in November 1985. It comes with graphical user interface in 16-bit. Microsoft launched Windows 2 in December 1987 with the ability of minimizing and maximizing. In 1990, Windows 3.0 was released with improvement of a friendly graphical interface. In 1992, Windows 3.11 was released, which improved the speed of the Windows. Then came Windows 95. Then came Windows 98. Then came Windows 2000. Windows XP. Windows Vista. Windows 7. Windows 8. Windows 8.1. Windows 10. Windows 10 is the kind of mixture of Windows 7 and Windows 8. Windows 10 launched with the Windows 7 Start menu style and Windows 8 Live tile. Features of Windows 10. Microsoft introduces a new feature named Cortana. Edge browser provides a voice assistant, like to play songs. It gives you answers using Bing. It sends email and many more things it do for a user. Edge browser provides safe and secure browsing on internet. Edge browser supports Cortana also. In this lesson we have learnt about the operating system of computer, types of operating system, and examples of operating system. Thanks for watching this video.